Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session of the UiPath. In this session, I will explain you how to connect ServiceNow application with UiPath and automate that. So before automating, we have to configure the connections. After connection is successful, you can see here it will show pop-up and message for valid connection detail. So for connecting this, we need to configure something which will integrate UiPath and ServiceNow, both the application. So for complete understanding of this session, please be available from start to end of this tutorial so that you are able to learn this in detail and you are able to create the connection from end to end in your system. For connecting ServiceNow, we need to have login credential of the ServiceNow. For creating login credential ServiceNow, we have to go to the developer.servicenow.com. Don't worry about that. I will mention the link or URL in the comment section. So after going to that, we have to create the connection. For complete understanding of the connection, for complete understanding of the creating the login credential in ServiceNow, please watch my sessions on ServiceNow, which is available in ServiceNow playlist. So let me give you the small background about the ServiceNow. ServiceNow is basically a ticketing tool used to manage technology service management tasks. It provides a centralized service catalog for personnel to request for technology services or information about applications and processes that are being used in the system. It allows service provider within the firm to process, manage, report and book effort on request pertaining to services, incidents, problem change and knowledge. So whenever we are working with the larger organization, that is some of the organizations are referring the ServiceNow for the ticketing tool. Just like if I am facing with any issue on access of any server, so I will raise a request on ServiceNow incident tab. So once IT team will check that incident and they will provide me access of particular server. So this is the flow of how we are using this application in organization. So if I want to automate this application, I need to configure in my UiPath tool so that my connection will create a successful connection for working with other actions. Next thing, we will need to install dependency. For installing dependency, go to the manage dependency tab and from there we have to write UiPath team ServiceNow activity. Now just write here ServiceNow. So once you write the ServiceNow, you can see UiPath team .ServiceNow activities are available. After installing this, you are able to see all of the activities which is available in the ServiceNow in your activity panel. So let me show you. You have to go to the UiPath team. After going to the click on the ServiceNow and you can see several activities are available in the ServiceNow. Add asset, delete asset, attachments, then catalogs, then change request. So these all activities are required. So if you want to log an incident, so incident is also here. So these all activities will be helpful for automating ServiceNow tool. So here we'll configure and connect. In further session, we'll definitely learn about how to automate our ServiceNow tool by using UiPath. So let me drag this ServiceNow application scope here. So after creating login credential, we have to create an instance or we have to request for an instance. For understanding instance, how to create the login, please watch my ServiceNow playlist. Now we have to provide some of the details here, just like username, password and endpoints. So I am pasting here password in the double quote. Now username we need to provide main. Next we will need endpoint. So endpoint, whatever login credential we have created, go to this, copy from https to up to .com. Now we have done. Let's click on the test connection. Once we will click test connection, it will validate the connection. If connection is successful, then it is showing the pop-up message. Let me change something to see wrong connection detail. Now you can see invalid connection details are available here. So by this way you can configure your ServiceNow connection in UiPath and test the connection is working or properly or not. For further action, please watch my next session on automation of the ServiceNow. So hope you understand it till the connection result. And there is other method also like for authentication. So this will help you to integrate some of the part, but when we are working with the ServiceNow tool, it's a big tool. It will not extract all of the data when you are extracting with this connection. So we have to perform authentication 2 method that is required to configure in ServiceNow tool. So I will explain this part in next session. This is all about how to configure in UiPath. About hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and revert with the resolution. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.